Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing? It's your friend, Edith. I'm back again. Guys, I don't know, these Nollywood actresses, Nasela Hanaga, Emiti, these pastors, some evil pastors, and they keep sleeping with them for money. You know, I don't really understand some ladies, you know. It's just ridiculous that you will go and use your life to swell. You will end to swell. Or if you buy yourself, you are a disgrace to Christianity. Anybody that if you buy yourself, you are a disgrace to Christianity. In fact, if you buy yourself, you are a disgrace to Christianity. You know why I said it? Because God loves challenge. You understand? In as much as he said, even if your sin is darker as charcoal, that you should carry it to him, he will make it as clean as white. So you who think that all hope is gone, the next thing you want to think of is how to buy yourself. You are a disgrace to a Christianity. For the fact the Bible say, come to me, all ye that labored with heavy laden, that God will give you rest. Do you know what that means? That you should carry your infirmity and affliction the enemy has afflicted you with. Bring it to Jesus and he will heal you. You must not commit, you commit fornication on top of adultery. On top of that, you want to buy yourself. How many sins do you want to carry to hellfire? Are you okay? It's high time people understand that there's a way that seems right unto a man, but at the end of the road, it's total destruction. I keep saying it, and the people will be talking junk on my videos. You'll be talking junk. Is it how I'm gonna go about it? How else do you want me to go about it? If not that way, because people don't hear, they don't listen until it happens to them. Look at this, our lovely actress now saying that she will buy herself. What kind of stupidity is that? Like little money cannot be enough for you. You have to learn how to save, how to manage the little God gave to you. He will bless your little beginning. You must not go sleeping with all these evil forces in the name of you are living good large. What shall it profit you? You gain all those cars, all those good things, all those houses, and you
Baba, the sacrifice is ready. It's not juju money. Why is my hand shaking?
Don't think that this.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Flower. So today I'm here with my boss.
Now you be boss now. Laugh Nation.
Laugh Nation. So guys, we'll be playing the ritualist prank. So guys, I'll be chatting girls on Tinder, calling them for hookup. So when they turn up now, we'll tell them 15,000. When they turn up now, we'll contact and say,
I won't use them.
We won't use them for
ritual and
all the good things here we met up with.
Our girl won't react. Listen. But normally we see our girl one because some of them they come on good places without telling people where they are going to. So today we want to see their reactions. So get ready.
So after that, we'll be giving them the sum of small 100,000. So let's go. I see the heart, see the bar.
Heaven. So here on earth, you will enjoy it. So, are you telling me now that you are working so hard to build good things in the name of following men, evil men for money, and doing evil for money?
Let's go.
Just to build all these houses that you know that it will melt up with a family.
It's 50K.
Okay, like
No,
this girl now.
15,000.
No,
Invite. Always you could like here prank.
That's what I have now.
Get the girl, man.
15,000. If you're okay, then you go up.
So all like here real now. Okay, man, they use this girl now. We measuring and where on your man where about. Put a focus shilla. As in the name of Lana, a chalk belong. And then here being a cheap belong on. to people.
Baba, the sacrifice is ready.
This is not how we make it. No, we did not sell our body for any time.
No noise.
I don't know about others.
See, you want to collect 50,000 naira.
Please.
You want to collect 50,000 naira. No noise.
The money family I came out from was very poor. That I wear only one clothes. Until one day I went at the back of our house. Only one of my sisters know about this. I prayed to heaven. I look at heaven. I prayed that God should change our situation.
What is your name?
Victoria, you cannot answer.
Victoria, please. What did you come here for?
Our story changed.
What did you come here for?
Hook up. I carried my Bible.
Do you know him? Have you met him before?
Every hook and cranny
You
all
know
our
him?
area there. People know
anybody
me
that
and
you are
the
coming
people
here?
my page.
Please.
Attest to what I'm saying.
Please.
In a lot of places I pray. I worked for God for so long, and God answered me. God continued moving me
$2 billion naira. I'll collect.
He answered me with American money, which I used to come in
Yes.
when I came in here. For the fact that America, every good thing is here. I
Do you love your
tried
mother?
to stick
You
with
love your mother?
advice
You love your mother?
Take your infirmity or prayer.
I'm begging you.
God will answer you. Don't buy
Why should they both face?
Be safe.